Hello, this is Chapter 10. So we have to find the next four terms in each arithmetic or geometric sequence and then give the recursive and explicit formula. The first one is explicit because, arithmetic because you subtract 6 each time. So you subtract 6 from -8, you get -14, -20, -26, and then -32. So then your explicit formula is an equals 4 plus n minus 1 times a negative 6. And your recursive formula is a1 equals 4, and then an equals an minus 1 times 6. And a similar thing for the next one, which is also an arithmetic, but you subtract 8.5. So, and the recursive is similar, you just subtract an 8.5. But the last one is a geometric sequence, so because it's multiplying by 2, so each time you multiply by 2. 32, 64, 128, and 256. And your explicit formula is an equals 4 to n minus 1. And recursive is a1 equals 4, an equals an minus 1 times 2. And this is a better view of the recursive formula for the one that is the geometric sequence. And now, we have to find the sum of the first 8 terms of the given arithmetic or geometric sequence, then find the infinite sum if possible. Just for reference, you cannot find the infinite sum of arithmetic sequences. You can only do that with geometric if the common ratio is less than 1. So, let's get started. The first one is an arithmetic, so you add 2 each time. So you have to do S8 equals 8 over 2, 4, plus, we don't know that, and so we have to find the 8th term, A8 equals 4, 8 minus 1 times 2. So A8, plug that in your calculator, equals 18. So 4 plus 18, plug that in your calculator, and that gives you S8 equals 88. And you cannot do the infinite. The next one is a geometric sequence, but it's multiplied by 4. So S8 equals 8. S8 equals 8, 1 minus 4 to the 8th, and then 1 minus 4. The 4 is to the 8th, not the whole thing. So S8 equals 1747, 60. 174,760. And you cannot do infinite because the common difference is greater than 1. The next geometric is a geometric, but it's times 1/2. So you can do the infinite sum, but we have to do the first 8 terms first. So S8 equals 32, 1 minus 1/2 to the 8th over 1 minus 1/2. That'll give us S8 equals 63.75. And then for the infinite term, S infinity equals 32, 1 over 1 minus 1/2. And that'll give us 64. And the final one is another arithmetic because plus 5. You add 5 each time. So S8 equals 8 over 2, 5 plus, we have to find the 8th term. A8 equals 5 plus 8 minus 1 times 5. Plug that in your calculator, all that in your calculator, you get 40. So you do 5 plus 40 up here, and S8 equals 180, and you cannot do infinite because it is an arithmetic sequence. And that concludes our fun little review.